Welcome to the 10-Minute Mind. Upgrade your life, one big idea at a time. You feel busy, but are you productive? You work 10 hours, yet feel zero momentum. You are addicted to the little dopamine hits of social media and email. This is the silent crisis of the modern economy. Newport calls this the shallow trap. And if you want to be indispensable, if you want to achieve the $100 million outcome, you need to cultivate the only superpower that matters: deep work. We are not learning what to do. We are forgetting how to focus. Deep work is the ability to concentrate without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. This ability is the engine of high-quality output. Newport lays out the formula clearly. High-quality work equals time spent times intensity of focus. Shallow work is easy to replicate. It's scrolling, it's meetings, it's email. Deep work is hard to replicate. It's scripting, it's coding, it's strategy. Which kind of work do you believe will make you a millionaire? Like eating the frog first, deep work is a deliberate habit, not an emotional choice. The first step to maximizing intensity is to choose your style. Newport presents 4 philosophies for integrating deep work into your life. 1. The Monastic philosophy. This is for the ultimate minimalist. You eliminate all shallow commitments. You retreat. You work in absolute isolation for a long period. The result is pure, high-level output, but the cost is total detachment. 2. The bimodal philosophy. You divide your time into intense deep work retreats, say a month, and periods of open, shallow work. This is effective for academics or CEOs who need both deep thinking time and high-level social engagement. 3. The Rhythmic philosophy. The key is ritual. Block the same time every day for deep work, say 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. This turns focus into an unbreakable, effortless habit. This is the best choice for the solopreneur. 4. The journalistic philosophy. The most difficult. You slot deep work into any available time pocket. A true master can switch instantly between shallow and deep, but this requires monumental self-discipline. Stop reading theory, start doing. Here are 5 non-negotiable actions you must take in the next 48 hours to create your first deep work block. Action 1. The ritual reset. Before your deep work session, define your specific goal and your success metric. Example: goal: finish the first draft of the deep work script. Metric: 1,700 words. Without a clear destination, you cannot work deeply. Action 2. Schedule the internet. Do not use the internet whenever you feel like it. Instead, schedule its usage like an annoying meeting, 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Outside that block, your browser is closed. Action 3. Quit social media, the craftsmanship approach. Don't just cut back. Quit it cold turkey. The only exception? If a platform is essential to your financial goal, like YouTube for us, use social media as a tool, not as entertainment. Action 4. Embrace the shut down routine. At the end of your workday, create a ritual. Review your unfinished tasks, plan your deep work block for tomorrow, and then declare the day over. Stop thinking about work until morning. This gives your brain time to recover. Action 5. The email time bomb. Schedule when you check email. Once at 11 a.m., once at 4 p.m. In between, treat your inbox like it doesn't exist. It does not control you. You know the rules. But how do you make deep work a permanent system? You need the 4 disciplines of execution, 4DX framework. Discipline 1. Focus on the WIG. Define your wildly important goal, WIG. If your WIG is achieve the 100 million target, what is the one deep work task that drives it? Example, scripting the next video. Discipline 2. Act on lead measures. Don't track views, lagging measure. Track deep work hours, leading measure. If you complete your 90-minute block, you win. Discipline 3. Keep a compelling scoreboard. You need a visible scorecard, a simple sheet of paper or a whiteboard, to track your daily deep work minutes. You must know if you are winning or losing. Discipline 4. Create a cadence of accountability. Set a weekly review with yourself or a partner. Discuss what blocked my deep work this week. This ensures the habit stays in place. With these 4 disciplines, deep work stops being a theory. It becomes a system. The truth is, most of your shallow work is the logistical maintenance of your business. Sending marketing emails, building landing pages, managing your funnels. This is the shallow work that kills your deep work. If you want the rhythmic or monastic life, you must buy your focus back. You can't afford to spend 4 hours a day on shallow work. How do you buy it back? Through automation. Using an all-in-one system to build your funnels and automate your email marketing is not just a productivity hack. It is an investment in your deep work capacity. It's the only way a solopreneur can compete with big companies. Remember the formula: output equals time times intensity. Intensity is focus. Focus is rare, therefore focus is valuable. Your goal is to become one of the rare few. Don't let your business become a collection of logistical headaches. Don't let the addiction to busyness steal your legacy. Deep work is not a nice-to-have skill, it is the defining skill of the 21st century millionaire. The automated systems that announce your shallow work, the tools that free up your mind for deep work, they are all waiting for you. Find the link to the 10-Minute Mind Toolkit in the pinned comment now. Stop scrolling, start doing. I'll see you in the next video.